Hello, everyone. Welcome back to Learn English Easy Way, where learning English is easy and fun. I'm Emily.
Hello, Emily. Hello, everyone. It's great to be here again.
It really is. How are you today, Paul?
I'm good. A little sleepy, but good.
Sleepy already? It's morning.
I know. I went to bed late last night.
Oh no, that's not good. You need your rest.
I'll survive. I had my coffee, strong and black. That helps.
Ah, coffee. My favorite morning friend.
I think coffee is everyone's best friend in the morning.
True. So today we are going to talk about something we all have, our daily routine.
Oh, yes. Daily routine. The little things we do every day.
Morning, afternoon, and night. Our whole day.
My mornings are usually a mess.
Really? Tell us about your messy mornings.
Well, my alarm rings and I press snooze.
Oh no, not the snooze button.
Yes, I love the snooze button. I press it once, twice, maybe 3 times.
And then you're late, right?
Exactly. I jump out of bed and run to the shower.
My mornings are very different. I wake up early, before sunrise.
Wow, that's too early for me. What do you do?
I make coffee, sit by the window, and enjoy the quiet. No noise, no rush.
That sounds perfect. I should try that sometime.
You should. After coffee, I make breakfast, eggs and toast.
Oh, breakfast. I usually just grab a banana or a cookie.
A cookie? That's not breakfast, Paul.
It's sweet, it's fast, it's perfect for me.
Okay, Cookie Man. What's next?
I take a quick shower, pick one of my blue shirts, and run to work.
Still only blue shirts?
Yes, simple life, simple shirts.
I like that. I drive to work, but the traffic? Oh, it's terrible.
I know that pain. I take the bus. Crowded, noisy, but I listen to music.
What kind of music?
Rock music. Loud enough to wake me up.
That'll do it. I like soft music in the morning.
So we get to work. Then what?
Emails, meetings, more emails.
Yes, emails. The story of my life.
True. But lunch makes it better.
Yes, I love lunch. I go to a small cafe near my office.
I bring mine from home. Salad or soup.
So healthy. I need to learn from you.
Or just skip the cookies.
Never.
Okay. After work, what do you do?
I go home, change into comfy clothes, and play with my cat Bella.
That's nice. I have a dog, Max. He waits for me at the door every day.
Pets really make life better.
They do. Then I cook dinner. Something simple like pasta or soup.
I burn dinner sometimes.
Again.
I'm improving. Slowly.
After dinner, I clean the kitchen and relax with a good book.
I sit on my sofa with Bella and watch funny shows.
That's a nice evening.
And then, bedtime.
Yes. I go to bed early.
And I go to bed late.
Of course you do.
And then in the morning, I'm tired again.
That's your daily circle, Paul.
It is.
And that's all for today's episode, everyone.
We hope you enjoyed talking about daily routines.
Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Learn English Easy Way.
And tell us in the comments, are you a morning person like Emily or a night owl like me?
See you next time.
Bye everyone.
Bye for now.